Oh, whoa. Okay, today we're here at Knott's Berry Farm for Ghost Town Alive and Summer Nights. And the flavors of summer item at the Churro Factory is a Dulce de Leche cream churro bites with fresh strawberries. So it does have a little waffle bowl. And there's, let's see, churros, soft serve ice cream. Here's the strawberry um, uh, stuff, filling, I guess, topping. I think that's the dulce de leche cream. Okay, let me try one of the churros with some ice cream and some dulce de leche cream. The churro bites aren't bad. They don't taste stale. Okay, let me put one of the. Uh-oh. Ah. Okay. A little bit of everything on there. Mm-mm. Yeah, the churro was actually pretty good. Oops. The waffle bowl is nice and crunchy. Kind of like a waffle cone. This one actually is pretty good. And it's I think $8.99. Yeah, $8.99. So I think I'll give this one an A. So since the churros are actually good today. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.